Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy Cloud. Welcome back to Ultra Instinct. So today's video, we got another reaction video. We got a new Meek song, Cybertruck, Philly in the building. I mean, Meek Mill always been representing Philly to the fullest as far as on the rap scene and killing in the game. So of course he got a new song. I got to react to it, listen to it for the first time. You want to see more reaction videos or plugged into hip hop or battle rap? Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And let's go. Turn me up.
Rest in peace to all my little niggas in the trenches.
Okay.
All my OGs too. Ooh.
Let's go.
Dead zone. Back at SP nigga in the red zone. He don't even know what happened. He heard that and caught a headstone. Catch me out in Philly, I'm somewhere bipping with a red bone.
Okay. Bipping? Maybe I'm old. Like, what's bipping, y'all? Like, y'all let me know in the comments down below. You know, I'm getting old for these little nuances of actual slang. Like, I don't know what that is, but let's go Meek.
Outside to the max, I'm going front line in the back, cause this is the Virgil one. And you ain't gotta hide you doing, cause we're serious.
It's like a mellow Meek.
Mobbing on my life, no, I ain't seen it. It's a murder one. Playing this gonna turn to something. I dropped out of school and got my tool, cause I wasn't learning nothing. I'm
okay.
My mood, try to take my food, nigga, we burning something.
Burning.
They act like they want to switch on me or turn or something.
Turn.
No one. I pray with my Glock before I sin. Bike gon' scrape the block every time I been. Yeah, I cannot miss with this.
It's funny because when Meek make these type of songs, like, they always like the same type of vibe, but it's usually like a solid song. Like he not like screaming and yelling over the beat. It's like, it's always like from the trenches type of song when he do these type joints. You know, it's always like I came from the hood, you know, how I grew up type mellow songs. And me, I kind of appreciate that, me being from Philly. So, you know, everybody might not like this type of, you know, laid back Meek, but, you know, it's like the vibe. It's like the 1 a.m., you know, cruising through Philly, north side, west side vibes. Volume up. It's hustle, baby.
I seen niggas die cause they was trying things. He wasn't on this side where it takes Glock, leave him on the crime scene. You can look at my eyes.
That's how I go in Philly.
You can look at my watch and see the cloud, that shit on high beams. Nigga be talking like that, they ain't really like that.
They ain't like that.
I can't come to the hood, you know I'm swinging right back.
Right back. In the trenches, baby.
Ride tanking, they can't stop me, they don't really like that. Skinny nigga, but I'm heavy as it get.
A tank bar, it's a bar.
Really levels to the shit.
Levels.
Every time he shoot a shot, say he don't never really miss. Say he
nah.
like Curry with the pot, this time I'm chefing up your bitch.
Hey.
With this shit, you know I'm backing up my man. I show niggas how to ball. Put them racks up on the ground, how to park your form by the jet. Walk off laughing when we land, cause we're sacrifice your dog. Like a
sacrifice your lamb.
I don't know how to make no TikTok, but look at my wristwatch. I'm from Philly, niggas will kill your ass about some hip hop.
It's facts.
Spanish hoes try to make them lip lock. Hermes, Rolls Royce, match your Hermes flip flops.
Hey.
On the run, they never
Rich talk. Hungry. Out the trenches, baby. Boom. Hey, you know, when Meek get on his flexing, you know, talk about his money or from the trenches bag, you know, I love this type of Meek. Definitely a nice little vibe song. This is definitely one of them Jones where you kind of like, you like lay back, you smoke a L, get your little favorite drink or whatever, a little wine. And I mean, either chill in the crib or you like this, that, like I said, doing the song, like this, that, I'm driving 1 a.m., yeah, I mean, in the streets of Philly, or like any hood you in, like this, that, it's that blast the John, blast the song, window down, you vibing, you chilling, like this, that vibe type Meek. And you know, when Meek get on his vibes, that's when he at his highest. So looking forward to more Meek songs like this. You guys want to see more reaction or, you know, more songs in general, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe. And we out of here. Let's go.